Today, we're going to show you how to create a Gmail business email and set up a G Suite account. Whether you're a small business owner or an entrepreneur, having a professional email address with your domain name adds credibility and enhances communication with your customers. So let's get started with our step-by-step guide. Understanding G Suite. Before we begin the setup, let's quickly understand what G Suite is. G Suite is a collection of productivity tools from Google designed for businesses. It includes Gmail for Business, Google Drive, Google Calendar, Google Meet, and more. With G Suite, you can manage your business emails, collaborate on documents, and hold virtual meetings seamlessly. Pricing. Google Workspace has 4 plans. Business Starter. This plan is for $6 per month and you have to buy for 1 year. This plan provides custom and secure business email, 100 participant video meetings, 30 gigabytes pooled storage per user, security and management controls, and standard support. 2. Business Standard. This plan is for $12 per month and you have to buy for 1 year. This plan also provides almost same benefits in addition of 150 participant video meetings and also provides recording and 2 terabyte pooled storage per user. 3. Business Plus. This plan is for $12 per month and you have to buy for 1 year. This plan provides additional e-discovery and retention with 500 participant video meetings and their recording and also attendance tracking, and 5 TB pooled storage per user. 4. Enterprise. This plan is ideal for large firms because it provides 1,000 participant video meetings with noise cancellation, which is a great feature. Signing up for G Suite. To get started, go to the G Suite website or Google Workspace using your web browser. Once you're on the Google Workspace page, click on the Get Started button. Based on your needs, choose the size of your business, either small business or enterprise. Enter your business name, the number of employees, and your country. If you already have a domain, select Yes and enter your domain name. If not, you can purchase a new domain directly through G Suite. Enter your contact information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Review the information you provided and click on the Submit button to proceed. Setting up Gmail business email. Step 1. Verify domain ownership. Before you can start using Gmail for Business, you'll need to verify that you own the domain. Google provides different methods for domain verification, such as adding a unique DNS record or uploading an HTML file to your website. Step 2. Create your Gmail business email host. Once your domain ownership is verified, you can create your Gmail business email. Choose the username you want to use for your professional email address, like yourname@yourbusiness.com. Step 3. Set password and security host. Set a secure password for your Gmail business email and choose any additional security measures like 2-factor authentication for enhanced protection. Exploring G Suite features. Now that you have your Gmail business email set up, let's explore some other essential G Suite features. 1. Google Drive. Store and share files securely in the cloud, allowing you and your team to collaborate effectively. 2. Google Calendar. Organize your schedule, set up meetings, and share events with your team effortlessly. 3. Google Meet. Conduct virtual meetings and video conferences with team members or clients, no matter where they are located. This is the process to create your Google Workspace and set up your G Suite account. Now you have a professional email address and a suite of powerful tools to boost your business productivity and communication. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable guides and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, drop a comment below, and we'll be happy to help. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.